Do you enjoy writing and wonder how you can make money online from writing? Medium.com. Perhaps you've been thinking about getting started with Medium already, or perhaps you're already writing there, but struggling for views, claps, followers, and ultimately income. If you're tired of spinning your wheels and seeing the same disappointing results every time you hit publish, I can help. I just launched a brand new Medium course and I'm really excited to quickly tell you about it. I call it Medium Income Quickstart Masterclass. The course is 1 hour long and I'm gonna show you the ropes. It's everything I wish I knew when I was just getting started and everything I've learned on my journey to becoming a top 5% earning contributor on Medium. Here's a little bit about that journey, and I'm gonna let you in on a secret. Medium did not come easy for me at all. I always loved the platform as a place to write, but I had no idea how to find an audience or discover any kind of success, let alone income. Truth be told, in the beginning, I even hired someone to edit and help write articles for me. I didn't have confidence in myself, and I was extremely impatient. I was spending money and not making any money. When paying for help didn't pay off, I decided to roll up my sleeves and really study the platform. I decided I was going to go all in and learn how to master Medium myself. Slowly but surely I grew. Gradually, then suddenly, I found success. After 4 months, I earned my first dollar. After a year, I had my first $1,000 month. 4 months after that, I had my first $2,000 month. And in September 2022, I published an article that earned $6,000. Yes, over $6,000 in passive income from one article that took me around an hour and a half to write. How did I do it? What's my secret? I am here to share it all with you inside the course. Medium Income Quickstart Masterclass is going to benefit anyone that's been writing on Medium with little to no success or wants to get started with Medium with all the tools and knowledge that they need to hit the ground running. The course covers 5 main topics. 1, how to get the most out of the Medium editor, including formatting tricks. 2, my personal writing and editing tips. 3, Medium secrets and hacks I've learned in my 3+ years writing almost 200 articles on Medium. Section 4 might be the most valuable because it's packed with 20 awesome free resources I still use and recommend. And finally, the longest section is all about how the Medium Partner Program works and how to ultimately scale your income from your Medium articles. I cover a lot because there's not just one secret. There is no silver bullet to guarantee your success on Medium. My success was a combination of small efforts day in and day out. It was learning and building effective strategies and getting better each day. It was research, it was tips, tricks, and hacks. It was utilizing the right resources. It was using my data to influence future articles. It was consistency. It was creating my own luck. In Medium Income Quickstart Masterclass, I'm going to show you how to do the same. Yes, this course will help you get started, especially Module 1, but ultimately this course also contains everything you need to know to master Medium and scale your income from your writing. If you're just getting started, I got you. This course, it's for you. If you've been writing on Medium for months or even years without success, I've got you. This course is for you. This course is your unfair advantage to help you get your first 100 followers and make your first $100. And this course is your unfair advantage to doubling down on that success and income to earn 3 figures and possibly even 4 figures a month consistently. All told, I cover close to 100 tips, tricks, hacks, and resources throughout. By my count, there are 97 to be specific. I went ahead and organized them all into a quick one-sheeter that you get with the course. That way you can watch and learn without worrying about taking notes. In the last 5 years, I became obsessed with personal finance, side hustles, and passive income from writing. Combining my passion for writing and finance, plus my background as a former high school English teacher, led me to helping others make money online from writing. And I hope that's gonna be you. Here's the best part. For a limited time, I'm offering this course totally free. I wanna get a solid handful of people in there taking the course and discovering success before I charge. I'll increase the price slowly over time. So if you're thinking about it or you're on the fence, don't wait. Now is the time to take advantage. Medium is one of my favorite writing platforms. I am super passionate about the site, and it's one of the best ways even a new writer can make money online. My name is Frankie. Join me in the course so I can share this passion and show you how. Thanks.